Hey guys, this is Jalak and today we are gonna make cream cheese, condensed milk and finally some cheesecake. So let's begin by making the crust. Now for making the crust you will need to crush some butter and biscuits very finely and then put them into the muffin mold. Now before adding this I have placed some paper strips so it is easy to lift. Let this set for 2 hours and let's begin with the cream cheese. For that heat up some milk and turn off the gas and add some lemon or vinegar and this will form the curds. Slowly stir it. So the curds are forming. Make sure you like this video, comment on it and subscribe to my channel. Now keep it aside and let it cool down. We'll make our condensed milk. For that you need warm water, butter, milk powder, add it gradually and then we'll add some sugar, powdered sugar. Now you need to mix it very well till a thick consistency is formed like this. Put a cheesecloth over the strainer and strain the curdled milk. Remove the excess water from the curds. If you want the written recipe of it, there is a link in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. So now I'll put this strained curds in the blender and I will blend it till it is creamy. So I'll make some filling now. So for that in a bowl I'll add some cream cheese, then some condensed milk. Add it gradually because you don't know how much you'll need it. Now squeeze half a lemon. I'm mixing it very well till it is creamy. Then I'm adding powdered sugar, vanilla essence and mixing it thoroughly. Here I'm adding more condensed milk. So in a separate bowl I'm adding cocoa powder and half of the filling and mixing it thoroughly. You can totally skip this part and when you flip your bowl just remember there should not be any dripping. So that's the way you can check the filling is done or not. Now I am putting the chocolate filling first, then the lemon filling. Let it set for at least 4 hours or overnight if you want, and then I'm topping it with some chocolate sauce or melted chocolate. And I have used some white glaze just for the decoration and this is heaven. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Until then, goodbye.